This question is from GATE 2017, Mechanical Engineering Paper Set 2, question number 49. A project starts with activity A and ends with activity F. The precedence relation and duration of the activities are as per the following table. The minimum project completion time in days is dash. So we have the activities given, the immediate predecessors are given. Using this precedence relationship, we can draw the network diagram first and then calculate the asked minimum project completion time. Let's try and draw the network diagram using this table and the precedence relationships that are given. So this is the start of the project. First activity is activity A. Then we have A is the predecessor for both B and C. So we can draw B and C like this, branched out from A. Then we have B is the predecessor of D. So after B we will have activity D, and after C we will have activity E. And we see that D and E are both predecessors of activity F. So we need to draw activity D and E merging at one point, something like this. And then we have the last activity which finishes the project, that is activity F. This is the finish point. Let's write the durations that are given besides the activities. So A has duration 4, B is having duration of 3 days, C is having a duration of 7 days, D of 14 days, E of 4 days, and F has a duration of 9 days. Now we are being asked to calculate the minimum project completion time. So project will get completed when the critical activities in this project are completed. That means the path that will have the longest duration should contain all those critical activities, and those activities should get completed. Hence, minimum project completion time is equal to the critical path duration. And critical path duration is calculated just by adding the duration of activities on critical path. Let's determine the critical path here. So A, B, D, F is one possible path. A, B, D, F. And the second possibility is for A, C, E, F. A, C, E, F. Let's see what durations all these activities add up to. 4 plus 3 plus 14 plus 9. This gives us a duration of 30, whereas the alternative path gives us a duration of 24. So clearly we can identify the critical path and the critical duration. Hence minimum project completion time is 30 days. Let's fill in the answer. Minimum project completion time in days is 30 days. To learn critical path method in detail, you can refer to the NPTEL video Lecture 34 Critical Path Method. It is from the course lecture series on Advanced Operations Research by Professor G. Srinivasan. He is from Department of Management Studies, IIT Madras. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.